Vyond tutorial for beginners. Hi guys, this is Speak About Digital and welcome to this video tutorial on how to use Vyond, the online platform that lets you create amazing animated videos in minutes. Vyond is a powerful and easy to use tool that allows you to make professional looking videos with no animation skills required. You can choose from hundreds of templates, characters, backgrounds, props, and sounds, or upload your own assets to create unique and engaging videos. In this tutorial, we will show you how to create a new account, give you an overview of the different features and functionalities of Vyond, and show you how to create a new video. We have a lot to cover in this video, so let's get started with the tutorial. To begin using Vyond, the first step is to create an account. You will find the link down below in the description, so go to the description of this video and click on the first link you find there. This will take you to the correct home page. Once you're on the home page, locate the free trial button at the top right corner of the screen, right next to the login option. Click on the free trial button and it will take you to the registration page where you can create a new account. On the registration page, you will find various options to sign up for a new Vyond account. You can choose to sign up using your Google account, Office 365 account, or simply with your email address. Pick the option that suits your preferences best and follow the prompts to complete the registration process. Once you have successfully signed up and logged into your Vyond account, the next step is to build your company's profile. You can customize the settings, preferences, and other details that represent your company within Vyond's platform. Vyond offers two versions for you to use, Vyond Go and Vyond Studio. For the purpose of this tutorial, we will choose Vyond Studio to proceed. Selecting this option will grant you access to enhanced features and capabilities available in Vyond Studio. After making your selection, you will be directed to your account dashboard, where you can start creating your animated videos using Vyond Studio's powerful tools and resources. When you access your account dashboard by default, you will land in Vyond Studio. To return to the dashboard from the studio, simply click on the Home option located at the top left corner. This action will take you back to your account dashboard where you can manage your video projects and settings. The dashboard's interface is designed to be user-friendly and straightforward, making it easy to navigate. On the left-hand side of the dashboard, you'll notice a left menu that contains two main options: Your Videos and Trash. The Your Videos section houses all the videos you have created using Vyond. Here you can access, edit, or organize your projects efficiently. On the other hand, the Trash section contains videos that you have previously deleted, providing a safety net in case you need to restore any accidentally discarded work. In addition to the left menu, you'll find important options located at the top right side of the dashboard. One such option is the Create a Video button. This button grants you access to several ways to start a new video project. Once you click on the Create a Video button, a drop-down menu will appear, presenting you with different options to choose from. The first option is Use a Template, which allows you to select a pre-designed video template that suits your needs. Templates are a great way to get started quickly and save time while creating compelling animated videos. Another option in the drop-down menu is Vyond Go, an AI-powered script and video creator. This feature enables you to generate videos promptly by providing a script, and Vyond Go takes care of the rest, automating the animation process for you. If you have specific preferences for aspect ratios, you can choose from options like horizontal, square, or vertical video formats to match your desired platform or presentation style. Moreover, if you already have slides that you'd like to transform into a video, you can select the Import Slides option from the drop-down menu, making it easy to convert your existing content into engaging animated videos. Lastly, for those who want to create custom characters for their videos, the Character option takes you to another window where you can access Vyond's character creation tools. Here, you can design unique characters to suit your storytelling needs. In addition to the Create a Video button, there are several other essential options available in Vyond's dashboard. To upgrade your account and access additional features and benefits, you can click on the Upgrade option. This will guide you through the process of upgrading your membership to a higher tier that suits your needs, unlocking more advanced functionalities and resources. If you ever need assistance or support while using Vyond, you can easily access the Help option. Clicking on this button will provide you with access to a comprehensive help and support center, where you can find tutorials, FAQs, and other resources to resolve any queries or issues you may encounter during your video creation journey. Moreover, the dashboard includes an account section which contains a range of management options for your Vyond account. Within this section, you can handle various account-related tasks such as adjusting your profile settings, managing users and groups associated with your account, enhancing security settings, and handling your subscription details, among other functionalities. Now, let's see how to create a new video in Vyond. To begin creating a new video in Vyond, first navigate to the top right side of the dashboard and click on the Create a Video button. Upon clicking, a drop-down menu will appear offering various options for video creation. Suppose you wish to utilize AI to assist in generating a video for you. In that case, you can select the Vyond Go option from the drop-down menu. Once you click on Vyond Go, you will be redirected to the Vyond Go interface where you can begin the process of creating your video with the help of an artificial intelligence. Once you are in Vyond Go, you will see different steps that you need to follow in order to create a new video using AI assistance. The first step is to provide a topic for your video. Next to the topic field, you will find a space where you can outline the content of your video for the AI to understand. For example, if your topic is time management and productivity, you can further explain the subject by writing key points like set reminders and establish routine to be discussed in the video. This prompt helps the AI understand the content you want to include in the video. After completing the topic section, move on to the next step called Vibe. Here, you get to choose the tone and style of your video. The options available for vibe selection are formal, informative, casual, and playful. For this tutorial, let's choose the informative option to match the educational nature of the topic. After setting the topic and vibe for the video, the next step is to choose the format. Within this step, you will find various options such as anecdote, announcement, debate, how-to, overview, and tips. For this tutorial, we will select the how-to format to structure our video. Moving on, the next step is to decide on the layout of your video. You can choose from different layout options, and for our demonstration, we will go with the home layout. Once you have made these selections, click on the Create This Video button located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Vyond Go will then use the information you provided earlier to generate scripts, voiceovers, and video animations for your video. It may take a little time for the process to complete, but eventually you will be presented with the final result in the form of a complete video. Upon reviewing the final video, if you wish to make any changes to the scripts or any other aspect, you can do so by clicking on the Quick Edit option located at the top right side of the screen. By clicking this option, the right sidebar will open, allowing you to make adjustments to the script, and you will see your changes reflected in the video. Once you are satisfied with the necessary adjustments and the overall video, you can proceed to download it. To do this, navigate to the three dots at the top right corner and click on them. A drop-down menu will appear, offering various options such as Download Video, Download Animated GIF, Share, Copy, Move, and more. Click on Download Video and then choose the desired quality for the video, such as HD or Full HD. After making your selection, your video will be downloaded to your device. After downloading the video, you can return to the home page and see your videos listed. From there, you can download, modify, or manage your videos as needed. This makes it convenient to access and edit your projects anytime you want. And there you have it, a beginner's guide to using Vyond. If you want to try it out for yourself, you can sign up using the first link in the description. I would really appreciate that, thank you. I hope you found it useful and learned something new. So again, if you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up, and if you have any questions at all, please comment below. I try to answer all the comments the best I can. Thanks for watching.